Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. This is KP and today I'm going to explain you one of my small projects, that is integration of Selenium WebDriver with Python for automating my Instagram profile visiting. Okay, so I have done this in Jupyter Notebook. So let me open my Jupyter Notebook. My scripting file is located in music folder. So this is the file. So let us see what is first Selenium. Selenium is a automation tool. It automates the testing part of any web application. So before going deep dive into the coding part, let us see what it actually does. So let me execute my program, shift plus enter. It is asking me for username. This is my username for testing only. I am not using it regularly. My password. So now let us go to the browser where Selenium is working. I will explain you this again. Now just have a look at it. You can see the Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. I am doing nothing, my hands are here, but still everything is automated, everything is working good. The pop-ups are closed. This is my first page. Yes. So now I will go to my account. Yes. In few moments I will be logged out. Then the browser will be closed. And that's it. We are done. You can see the final line of our code is executed. Congratulations, you have tested successfully. So now let us understand the code. I will try to give high level overview. So Python has many modules and libraries. Selenium is one of them. I have imported WebDriver from it. I have imported time and get pass function. I will explain you why I have time and get pass function used in this code. So as I am using Chrome web browser, that's why this Chrome driver manager is used. I have initiated this variable and provided my file location of chrome driver.exe. So I'm taking user input, my username, password. You can see here the password is getPass.getPass function. So this getPass function enables you to enter your password more securely. You can see here dots. Remember, while I was entering my password, you cannot see, it has only dots. So that thing is done by this getPass module or getPass function. Then my driver will open the browser and go to this URL, Instagram URL. Then here you can see time.sleep 4 in parenthesis. This 4 means 4 seconds, and time.sleep is used for pausing the execution of program for 4 seconds. So this time.sleep method actually enables the WebDriver to wait for 4 seconds before the next execution. So my driver will open the browser, wait for 4 seconds, my driver will maximize the window, and then the whatever user input we have got, it will be passed in the user input, so username part. Then it will wait for 3 seconds, the password will be entered, then wait for 2 seconds, then the login button will be clicked and wait for 5 seconds. Then you must have remembered there were two pop-up notifications, so we have to close this, and after closing each pop-up we have to wait for 5 seconds. Done. Then on profile we have to click, so that will be done by this line of code, and it will wait for 10 seconds there. Then click on the settings button for logout, it will wait for 4 seconds. Then click on logout and again wait for 8 seconds. Lastly, the browser will be closed by this function and we will get our successful message. So this was the high level overview of my code. So now you will get a better clarification. Let us run it again. You can see a new browser is pop up here. My username, then password. You can see only dots are here. So get pass actually helps us this. Enter. So now my browser, this URL has already done. Driver maximizes the window. Come on, yes. Then it inputs the username, password. Then click on login button. This is the first pop-up, closed. Second pop-up, closed. Wait for a few seconds. See, my cursor is here. Still I am getting into my account. Wait for a few seconds. Log out. Now the browser will be closed. So finally we have got our successful message. So this was the Selenium WebDriver project. So that's all from my side. See you in the next video. Good night. See you. Take care.